Everyone and welcome. This video I'm going to walk you through how to check out or check apps that have access to your files and media on Android. It's quite simple. From the home menu, tap on settings. Actually, from the apps page, tap on settings. Let me show you what I mean. This is the app page. Tap on settings. Then scroll down to you see apps. Tap on apps and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner and tap on permission manager. And then scroll down until you see files and media, tap on it and you can see all the apps with the permission to access photos, media and files on your device. So you can see them. This first category these are the files, apps that are allowed to manage your files. You can see them here. Second category is apps that are allowed access to media only. And then the next category is apps that are not allowed access to files and media. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.